Hey guys, congratulations on your XTREME cold plunge purchase. In this video series, we're going to cover how to unpack and how to safely install and set up your cold plunge. Make sure to watch the entire video series and follow step-by-step instructions, because in each video we're going to share our tips and tricks and how you can avoid any issues or damages. Okay, so what you will need are scissors and all of your boxes. Make sure that you have all the boxes that you need as part of your cold plunge bundle. When you cut into boxes, do not go too deep, so to avoid scratching or damaging your product. What I'm going to do next is just open everything up, lay everything out, and we'll start with the first step. Okay guys, so we just opened a few boxes, so here's a quick recap. This is your chiller. These are the wheels with hardware. We're gonna go through how to attach them. This is a cover panel. Most of you do not need to worry about this part. This part you can literally just throw away, unless you are in a specific situation where you want to remove the digital control panel. If you do not want to do that, don't worry about it. Just throw this part away. So we just opened the barrel. So some of you ordered the classic tub or the deluxe. This is the barrel version that comes with these steps. So I have my barrel, the lid, the steps, and the air pump. I also opened up our tubing kit. And next we're going to open up the filtration cabinet. This may take 2 people to do it, so just follow along. Okay, so the best way to remove the XTREME filtration cabinet is by cutting with scissors a slit on each corner here in the front. Take out all the packaging out, all of the foam and all of the wood pieces. And what you're going to do is you're going to push forward. Again, make sure that these have really nice, good cuts. And you're going to move. So what you're going to do is you're going to push this forward, and you will now have much easier time removing this out of its packaging. Now I suggest you grab a buddy. Come on, buddy. And we're going to remove it and slide it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Perfect. Then you will unwrap it. Unwrap it. And we're going to get underneath the packaging right here. And it's okay. In the next step, we're going to inflate our water container. In this example, I have the barrel, but it could be your classic or deluxe tub. So in all of your kits, we included this protection mat. This goes underneath your tub or barrel. We included this repair kit. In here you have a little piece of vinyl, you have some plumber's tape, and you have an extra tool. All of the instructions are included. We don't really need this for this video. You also have this PVC liner. I'll explain to you what this is for. And if you received our barrel, you received 2 sizes of our steps. So you have an option for the extra wide or the slimmer version. Okay, now let's inflate everything.